How to make this pocket? It's very easy. Additionally, we need 2 markers, holder stitches, and 1 double single needle. Work your pattern and here mark the size of the pocket. Work a ribbit between the markers. Take a yarn of a different color and knit here between markers. Work the pattern until the marker and here I use a different color between the markers. It looks like this. And now we back to here. Back to the marker. And with our yarn, continue pattern. Continue pattern. We can remove the markers and continue. For example, this is your sweater. I use a different yarn for the pocket, but you can use someone. Take a stitch holder and pick up upper loops from here. Pick up upper loops. It looks like this. And now pick up these stitches with needle. These stitches with needle. It looks like this now. And remove this yarn. And knit your pocket with your pattern. In the size of your pocket. It's the right side, it's the wrong side. And let's go back to the whole stitches. And now work all stitches knit, here 2 knit together and pick up 1 stitch from the side. All knit, 2 knit together and pick up 1 from the side. Back with purl stitches, all purl, 2 purl together and pick up 1 stitch from the side. All purl, 2 purl together and pick up 1 from the side. And continue. Now all stitches knit, 2 knit together and pick up 1 from the side and back purl. All stitches purl, 2 purl together and 1 pick up from the side. Continue until the end. It's my pocket. Now take double single needle and slip 1 from here, 1 from here, 1 from here, 1 from here, 1 from holder stitches, 1 from needle, 1 from holder stitches, 1 from needle. It looks like this now. And cast off all stitches. Knit 2 together, knit 2 together and cast off. Knit 2 together and cast off. 2 together and cast off. 2 together and cast off. Now take 1 stitch from here and knit and cast off. The pocket is ready.